everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day. I just wanted to say thank you. We made it to 100 plus subs. I'm thankful for all the kind messages and likes that people have sent me. It really brightens my day when you say all those nice things. I've been going through a lot of personal stuff and felt down because of it. And I guess, like everyone else, illustration and art has been my escape. It makes me happy that my little drawings hopefully brought a smile, maybe joy, and maybe inspiration to y'all. I felt my art hasn't been good enough. Yeah, so this really means a lot, y'all. $106 people like my art on YouTube. And I think that's really cool. So thank you. Thank you so much. What are some of the things y'all are working on today? Let me know in the comments. And there's a special treat at the end of the video. Yeah, and I hope y'all like it. I'll see you there. To thank you all, I made this little guy, Jelly Bean, as a phone wallpaper. He is available for free on my Ko-Fi shop. Our next goal, or my next goal, is 300 subscribers. And again, thank you. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.